Welcome back to Plant Lifestyles. Today I'm going to give you another teachings. You need to subscribe to the channel because the channel is a new channel. We are now building the channel, and then there are a lot of things that are going to be taught on this channel. Today I'm going to teach you the benefits, the spiritual use of these two different seeds. This one is Prekese and this one is Odii Aba or Odii seed. In fact, this is a explanation to their spiritual effect and then their physical effect. In fact, if you have this kind of plant, don't joke with them. Embrace them as friends. Let them be closer to you all the time. Have them in your kitchen, in your room, wherever you can keep them. In fact, this Prekese is a medicine, a strong medicine that, in fact, most of the herbal medicine that are sold out, they're made up of them. They have them in it. It's one of the constituents most of the herbalists use for herbal decoctions and then herbal medicines on markets for sale. This Prekese is also spiritually strong. We use for spiritual bath. In fact, I don't want to explain this into detail because I've already done extensive video on this channel about purifying yourself and cleansing yourself with this Prekese on the same channel. That is why I want you to subscribe. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Go into the description and find the video find the link to the video of the spiritual cleansing using this Prekese. I'll leave it, or it is found in the link that is the description. In fact, you learn a lot from the cleansing process and how to use this medicine or this plant to do a lot of things in our life. There are some people, in fact, the witchcrafty in their home, in their compound, they are worrying them. In fact, they need to reach a certain level in life, but they are being dragged in spirit, that is spiritually. They are being dragged when they are climbing, they are being dragged back. In fact, your certificate qualifies you. In fact, we pray, but sometimes we need some natural thing to break some barriers. It's not that all the time we have to be shouting. Yes, there are some things we need to add to the prayers for it to work effectively. I'm not condemning prayers, but there are some things we prayed for a long time, but still the thing is even destroying your life. The thing is still in your life. There are a lot of things. In fact, when Jesus Christ came to this world, he even used sand and saliva to open the eyes of the blind Bartimaeus. But if you are there and you are telling me things of those stuffs are out of date, please, they are not out of date. That is why we use this kind of plants, the plant extract, to also like eliminate a lot of things in life, to bring positivity. Yeah, in fact, if you are anywhere, I can ship this to you. If you want to buy, if you have it already, then you are good to go. You can use this one to protect yourself by preparing a spiritual bath, to protect your spirit, to protect your family. In fact, use this water to bath. All your family should engage in this bathing. I told you there's a video on it, so go and find it and watch it. After watching this video to the end, you see at the end of the video, I'll also put it there, like it will come on the screen. As the end screen, the video will come and then you see it. Again, I'm going to talk about this Odii Aba. I'll speak a little bit on this plant. This plant is very powerful and then spiritually useful in Ghana here. In fact, it drives away evil spirits. In fact, it attracts goodness. In fact, this plant is a very useful plant that I've been using it a long time. like I've been using this plant for a long time, and then my grandfather was using it to heal a lot of sicknesses. Even the newborn baby needs this plant. In fact, it is used for a lot of spiritual things. In fact, you can drop this in your water. Just get it, when you get it for the first time, this is how it looks like. It is dark, and then there will be the fruit dried on the seed. The seed is found inside. Yes, you see, the seed is found inside this. So once you get this, you put it, you are going to get a bowl like this, and then put water in it, that fetch water in it, and then put it inside. Once you put it inside, you are going to leave it for 24 hours. The next day, you see that the color of the water will change. Everything will be dark, and then the first shell will remove, and the inner seed will come out, and then it will be very nice. Yes, the first cleansing with this seed is you are going to use the water. You are going to use the water to bath. You are going to add it to your bathing water and then bath. Those who are using shower, you can pour it in a pail or in a cup, and then after bathing, you pour it on you. It does a lot of magic. Premature death spiritually, especially spiritually. In fact, it takes away of it, and then even it brings away good things. Yes, as I told you, there are people struggling in this world. In fact, they are suffering. They work harder and harder, but they are not getting what they are supposed to get. People are coming with low certificate, but they are bypassing you, and they are doing a lot of things. We are not doing what is necessary. Yes, what is necessary is, in fact, cleanse yourself, cleanse your aura, attract good energy, cleanse your negative energy, and bring positivity. Once when this one, the shell is being removed, you are going to use this. Whenever you fetch your water, you are going to use to just put it in it. That is all. And bath. After bath, yes, after bathing, just remove it and dry it. You can repeat it using it for almost 1 year. After the first part has removed, just put it in your water, bath. Put it in your water. If your child is going to bath, put it in the water, bath, and then, in fact, let's fight for our spiritual life. Once your physical life is also dependent on your spiritual backups. So in this channel, I'm dedicating it to anyone who wants to build his or her spiritual life using plants and then herbal remedies. Yes, please, let's share the video to our friends, and then I think we are going to be fine. And then you help me build the channel. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, give comments, and then I think we are going to build this channel together. Thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing. See you in the next video.